Hey friends, it's Keezy here today, and today we'll be restyling some thrifted Monster High dolls. So, fun fact, I have an entire bin of dolls that I have thrifted and have done nothing with. So, today we will be doing Monster Exchange Laguna and Dead Tired Cleo. So, Laguna here was a little rough. She's missing part of her right eyebrow. She's also missing a little bit of paint on the upper lip, and her hair was just super duper crazy. Dead Tired Cleo, however, was not in the worst condition. Her hair actually wasn't all that matted, but it was a little tangly and frizzy, so we'll be doing a boil wash to get some of that out. So first we'll start out with doing something we've never done on this channel, which is some doll laundry. I'll be taking my Tide liquid soap and pouring just a little bit into the cup and then pouring it into this bowl. I actually got this bowl at Walmart, I don't know, on clearance a couple of years ago. Then I'll be actually filling up the tub with a little bit of water, and this is cold water. You definitely want to make sure you use cold water so none of the clothes bleed. And to further help the clothes not bleed, I'll also use a color catcher, which you saw me put in the tub. And then what I do is I like to kind of do a hand washing motion, make sure that all of the clothes get nice and saturated with the water and the soap. So I definitely almost lost Cleo's armband down the drain. When you're draining the water from your tub, you want to make sure that you stop up your sink so that you don't lose any clothes like I almost did. After pouring out all the water, what I do is wring out any excess water in the clothes. Then I'll take some clothespins and this hanging rack that I got from Walmart to hang the clothes so that they can dry. Okay, so now moving on to restyling the dolls. So I'm going to do kind of my usual routine. I'm going to wash their hair, but I'm also going to use this toothbrush here to scrub their faces and their bodies. I'm going to use Dawn soap this time. In my Rainbow High restyle, I actually used baking soda, but you don't want to use that on these dolls because some Monster High dolls, their faces weren't sealed correctly, so if you use that baking soda on their face, it will come off. So I didn't want to risk that, so I just used Dawn dish soap for the hair and the body. And of course, once I'm done with Cleo, I'm gonna move on to Laguna. Alright, and once each ghoul has been thoroughly cleansed, I'm going to give them each a boil wash. because these girls are saran, I'm going to use a little bit of fabric softener just to soften the hair a little bit because it was a little bit dry from, you know, all the years of not being touched. I'll leave Cleo in the water to sit and kind of absorb all the heat so we can get the hair as straight as possible. For Laguna, I'm just going to do a couple of dunks and then move on to restyling her hair. And once the boiling water is cold, I'm going to remove Cleo from the bowl. And then I'm just going to do one more boil wash where I pour the water over her head. This is just going to make sure that we can get the hair as flat and as smooth as physically possible. And after pouring the boiling water over her head a couple times, I'm going to place her under some cold water to set the hair. And next what I'll be doing is reforming Laguna's curls. So they were kind of frizzy and kind of messy still after the boil wash. So I wanted to give them back some of that shape. So what I'm going to do is this method that I actually learned from a fellow YouTuber here called Pastel Prince. I'll leave a link to his video. And basically what I'm doing is just wrapping the hair around pipe cleaners, securing the ends with a paper towel, and repeating the process all the way up the head. The Pastel Prince did this on his Delilah doll, and it turned out beautifully. It comes in like little small ringlets, so I definitely recommend that you check out his video. Okay, and then once I've wrapped all the sections of hair around the pipe cleaners, of course we have to set in the style. So I will be doing another boil wash here. We use a lot of boiling water on this channel. But I'll be using some boiling water, then counteractively using some cold water to set the curls in the hair. Okay, and now to fix Laguna's face up, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a repaint. The whole slash eyebrow look is definitely giving edgy, definitely giving grunge, but we want her to give glam. So I repainted both of her eyebrows and I also repainted her lip. I added a little bit of gloss just to be extra because I am. And then sealed everything with Mr. Super Clear to save my work. Alright friends, and that is all for my restyle for Monster Exchange Laguna and Dead Tired Cleo Denial. What do you guys think of them? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, of course, give it a thumbs up down below. And if you feel so inclined, please hit that subscribe button down below. We are at 3,000 subscribers, which is so wild. But thank you guys so much. I will see you guys next week for the Shadow High Series 2 review and restyles. So I love you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.